Check this out. Check this out. Now on the trail here, this was moved. Wow. Yeah, these were done by humans. Well, I hope I'm going to be able to get these out. Unbelievable. I'm going to show you something. I think this was done by humans, but I'm going to let you see what I found coming back getting supplies. Okay, not only this X, which is a symbol, one of the several symbols of Bigfoot, but check this in the back of my car. Look at that. And this is what they did. I believe it's a person, people doing this. I didn't see any fingerprints and so on there. So anyways, it's a shame, but the people out there just like to make people feel uncomfortable.